is the other thing that they are watching out for? Back to you.
Well, thanks a lot. That's very timely. The market has opened for the day. It's the start of a brand new week, and we've opened on the back foot. So the Nifty is down about 90 odd points. It's a 0.5% cut that you're staring at on the index. The Sensex is down 320 points, so it's not a good opening if you're a bull, that is. It was on expected lines, perhaps, given the kind of weak cues that we had from across the world. Infosys is your biggest loser. HCL Tech, despite the management commentary, is down about 1%. The entire technology pack has been sulking ever since HCL Tech lowered its guidance. TCS down about 1%, Wipro following suit as well. The other pocket that's not looking too great this morning is metals. Hindalco, Tata Steel are down about anywhere between 0.5% to 1%. And then you have auto stocks, Eicher Motors, Maruti Suzuki that are trending on the red line. Nothing alarming, but about 0.5% cut over there. Let me also draw your attention to a lot of the large cap, the heavyweights. So there's Reliance, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank that are all trending below the red line. So there is pressure there. And on the green side, you have something like a Grasim, NTPC, Sun Pharma and Tata Consumer Products. Few and far between, really. It's largely a start in the red. The Nifty is down over a century now, actually. The Sensex down 420 points. And the advanced decline ratio is also in favor of advances, but very marginally at the moment. But lots of stocks in the broader markets in focus. And in fact, the mid-caps are not doing too badly. There's a degree of outperformance there.
Well, that's right, Sonia. And we'll be tracking that very closely because in Friday's trading session, you actually had the small cap index that took a hard knock. So good to see a relative outperformance today. In terms of broader markets, well, stocks are in focus. Glenmark, the US FDA regulatory woes continue for them. So that stock is under some pressure. It's down close to around 3%. In fact, that's the biggest loser. Mid-cap IT as well is getting smacked. Birla Soft, LTI, Mindtree, all of them, in fact, are under some pressure, down between 2 to around 3%. On the flip side, you have PNB. The JP Morgan upgrade to overweight from underweight. So that stock is the biggest gainer. It's up close to around 1.5% odd from the FNO pack. Interglobe Aviation, maybe the unlock theme, cooling down of crude oil prices as well. That's up close to around 2% as we speak. Bharat Forge as well has opened up higher. A couple of other names, Vartech Vabag, they won a 260 crore order from Romania, waste treatment order. So, that one as well should be in focus. I just hit the exchanges a few minutes ago. So, Vartech Vabag, that's opened up with a gain of around 2.5%. Gujarat Gas, they pulled back on their pricing. So that stock should be in focus. It was something actually the street was expecting. It could, however, be a positive for a couple of these other companies like Somani Ceramics as well as Kajari Ceramics. So for the time being, Gujarat Gas down close to 100%. I'm not sure whether we're getting a positive rub-off on those stocks. Well, they as well are a little bit lost. Safe to say, the Nifty is down 120 points odd, going towards that crucial zone of around 18,350. But the mid-cap index doing a relative outperformance. Prashant, what else?
Jaiprakash Associates, Nigel, is up 10%, and let's have that up 11.75. That'll account. I think that Dalmia Bharat related news flow there. Jaiprakash Associates is coming up with volumes. That's the only reason I'm highlighting that. It's a small penny stock now, but it's a large company. But of course, the price is where it is. PSP Projects is up 2%, so that's coming up with large volumes, so keep an eye. Indigo, 2.25% higher. This is, I guess, one of the oil beneficiaries, but 20.34 on Interglobe. Ease My Trip is up 3%, 54 on Ease My Trip. There is, I think, National Assurance, which is up 3% or so. The insurance, the general insurance company. Delivery is up, 2.33% or so. There is Gravita India, which is up about 6%. So there is actually a lot of stuff on the upside as well. Market breadth is negative. And, that for starters is 1150 stocks lower and about 700 stocks which are higher. No support from IT at all, as we've been pointing out. Infosys is the top volume-led loser with a 2% cut at this point in time. PSU Banks is the other pack, right? Central Bank, I can see, is down 3.75%. Is there anything else in the PSU Bank?